You clicked on this video because you care about web accessibility. And in the next few minutes, I will show you the 5 game-changing Elementor accessibility tips no one else is trying. And I'm not here to repeat the same add all tags and pick the right color advice you have heard 20 times. These are the real beginner-friendly tricks that take just minutes to apply and instantly boost your site accessibility, your EDA compliance, and even protect your site from getting sued. So let's get started. Tip number 1. Customize the Ally plugin. Okay, so the first thing most people do when they hear about accessibility is install the Ally plugin. And yeah, it's a great move when it comes to web accessibility. But the mistake most people do, they install the Ally plugin, activate it, see the little toolbar pop up on their site and think, alright, that's done. My site is accessible now. But the truth is, installing the plugin is not enough. You need to set it up the right way, otherwise it might confuse your user. So in order to do that, in your Ally plugin, head to the Scans tab and click Start Scan. In seconds, Ally check your site for common issues like maybe missing alt text or keyword navigation issues and give you clear suggestions to fix them. Then just go to the Design tab and set the icon size to something, which is noticeable but not distracting. Then pick a color that blends in with your site design. Like I'm going with something, plain and white. Then if you feel that the bottom right overlaps your site footer, you can move the position of your icon to the middle right as well. It depends on your site. And then to the capabilities, turn off the tools you do not need, please. Do not overwhelm your visitor with tons of options they will never use. Please focus on the most relevant features for your audience. Now, you see this? The Pro version of Ally plugin allows you to customize the language too. Like if your site is not in English, you can update it in your preferred site language. Then turn on the skip to content. This one's quite a win. It helps keyboard users jump straight to the main content instead of tabbing through your entire header. Okay, this feature, I really love it. Generate your accessibility statement. This one is super underrated. Ally lets you create a clean accessibility statement page with just a few clicks. So if someone's having a trouble, they know exactly where to go and how to reach out. Now let's see the final look. So there you go, your customized accessibility icon, your accessibility statement, and when I press the tab key, here is your skip to content link. So do not leave the plugin in default mode. Take 5 minutes to set it up properly. Now the tip number 2, backup colors with text or icons. So here's something that's super common in Elementor site and most people don't realize it. Relying only on colors to show message. For example, green for success and red for error. But over 250 million people are colorblind. And red might look like brown to them and green might look like gray to them. So if you are only using color to show something important, they might completely miss the message. So as a good practice, you need to back up colors with either clear text or icons. For example, if there's an empty field, don't just show a red border around it. Add a label like this field is required. Or maybe don't just flash a green message. Use a checkmark icon and a short success note like message sent. I hope you got it right. Now tip number 3, use Aria labels. Imagine someone can't see your page at all. They are using screen readers which reads out loud whatever on your website. Now if your button or custom elements aren't labeled properly, the screen reader just say what it sees. For example, it says the click me button, the icon or link. It does not give the enough context to that user. That's where the Aria labels comes in. Aria labels add invisible description to that element, so user hear not just the icons or button, but the actual purpose behind it. Here's how to add one in Elementor. Click on the any widget where you want to add a little bit of the description. It can be a button, icon, or any element where you want to add the description. Then go to the Advanced tab, scroll down to the attribute, and in the key field, type Aria label. And in the value field, type that short, clear description of the element. For example, start free online visit. Now let's publish. I have already a screen reader installed. So
Start free online visit.
Now, when a screen reader gets to that button, it doesn't just say button. Instead, it will say start free online visit. So much better, right? Now, tip number 4, controls for timed content. So here's something that silently breaks accessibility on a lot of websites. Timers, like those auto-playing carousels, those disappearing pop-ups, and sometimes even the forms that expire if you take too long to submit them. The thing is, some users take more time to read, click, or take action, and they can't keep up with that pace. So to make your content accessible for them, first of all, fix those auto-playing carousels. To do that, go to your Elementor site, select your slider, find the autoplay setting, and turn it off. And make sure you add those navigation buttons as well. Next, check your pop-ups. Like if you got a pop-up closing after 3 seconds, like this one, go into your Elementor pop-up settings and either set the timer to 0 so it stays open, or give users more time to take action. And most importantly, always include a visible close button that works with the keyboard too. Now this pop-up will stay open until the users decide to close it themselves. Also check out for the plugins. Some quizzes and forms have timeouts built in. Check their settings. Can user extend the timer? Can they save the progress? Or better yet, can you turn the timer off altogether? People move at different speeds, and your job is to give them the control and make sure they're not left behind. Okay, so the last and the bonus tip, use clear structure. And it's not just the best accessibility practice, but it's also gold from SEO point of view. Because let's face it, accessibility is not just about people with disabilities. It's about making your content usable and understandable for as many people as possible, including mobile users, screen reader users, and even the Google bots. So if you do it right, not only you make your site legal, but your site is also a green flag to Google. So to do that, break your content into sections, like use proper headings, H1 for the main title, H2 for the major sections, and H3 for the subpoints, if any. Then use bullets and the numbered list. It makes content more scannable and it's way easier to read. Next, keep your navigation consistent, like menus, headers. Make sure they don't change across the pages. Also, add anchor links for long pages. Let user jump to specific section without scrolling forever. So there you go. 5 quick underrated ways to make your Elementor site way more accessible. Because accessibility is not just about checking the boxes or avoiding the lawsuits. It's about making sure everyone who lands on your site can actually use it clearly and confidently. Now, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and turn the notification on so you don't miss any more helpful videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next.